Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. Here we are at the end of day 3 at Metaltech in PWTC. We are at ACAD Systems, partner of Autodesk, booth 5213, all level 4. By the way, right now we just ended our lucky draw for the day. We'd like to draw our winners for Fusion 360. Each 4 winners, and each winner, each training session is worth 1,000 ringgit each. Over the course of 4 days at Metaltech, we will be giving out 25 training sessions to 25 lucky winners. So today we'll draw out 4 for Fusion 360.
See the lucky hand. Okay, now is. Can I press it? Okay.
Yay, we got it, let's go! And for privacy reasons, we... Oh,
Okay.
there we go, we got our 4 lucky winners.
Yeah.
Let's go! Those lucky winners will receive...
Check Facebook.
Yeah, so for all the users who signed up for our lucky draw, please check out our Facebook page, like and follow our profile, and also check your emails. Whether you win or not get your training session, you'll still receive an email from us. Thank you for coming today, and thank you for watching the video. I'll see you tomorrow.